Hi everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Nick Bergen. I'll be your instructor today, for this course. I want to go over a little bit of my background. Very excited to be teaching the course. My name is Nick Bergen, as I stated. I have a master's and a bachelor's degree in economics. I was born and raised in South Bend, Indiana. Got my bachelor's degree from St. Louis University. Worked at the Federal Reserve Bank in St. Louis while I was there. Went and got my graduate degree from Florida State University. Have a little puppy dog named Seminole. Worked at the Florida Department of Education, where I was an analyst. Currently live in West Palm Beach, Florida. Enjoy going to Mexico and playing golf. And enjoy going to Florida State football games. Very excited to be teaching the course. Looking forward to some interesting things that we're going to be covering as well. One of the things we'll be covering, and that relates to my background, is how can we really connect with what's going on in our daily lives and really bring that about in our ability to connect the course concepts and understand how to engage these to your activities. It's very important with economics as we can apply this around what we see. And economics provides a good foundation for that. I look forward to working with you. And if you have any other questions, let me know. But I wish you the best.